The pressure and wind conditions over India are unique. There is an opposite relationship between pressure and temperature. When temperature increase, pressure decrease. When temperature decrease, pressure increase. There is opposite relationship between temperature and pressure. The next is wind always blow from high pressure to low pressure area. During the winter season, in the northern India, temperature is low. As a result, pressure is very high. In southern India, during the winter season, temperature is high and pressure is low as comparing to the northern India. So, the cold wind blow from the high pressure region of northern India to the low pressure region in the southern India. In summer season, the temperature of the northern India is high. As a result, pressure is low. Whereas the temperature of southern India is low as comparing to the northern India. During the summer season, air moves from the high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean in a southeast direction. Crosses the equator and turns right. It enters India from the southwest direction, and these winds are known as southwest monsoon winds. These winds blow over the warm oceans and gather moisture and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. The upper air circulation in this region is dominated by the westerly flow. An important component of this flow is jet stream. These jet streams are located approximately over 27 degree to 30 degree north latitude. Therefore, they are known as subtropical westerly jet stream. This jet stream is like a ribbon of wind which blow with very varying speed from about 110 km in 1 hour in summer to about 184 km in 1 hour in winter. It blows in the troposphere. Over India, these jet streams blow south of the Himalaya. It blows to the south of the Himalaya all throughout the year, except in summer. The western cyclone, which has origin in the Mediterranean Sea, blow towards India. It blows towards northern India and northwestern parts of the country. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet stream move north of the Himalaya. During the summer season, the westerly jet stream move towards the north of the Himalaya. During winter, it blows from the south of the Himalaya, and during summer, jet stream blows to the north of the Himalaya.